Hello and welcome to my channel. This time, I have a fun little project to share. So thank you for watching and enjoy. If you find any of this enjoyable, stay tuned for more. Here you can see me forging just a basic temper on a 15mm square bar, which was the starting material for all of the parts. When both ends were tapered, I began to shape it into a circle. Our house number is 108, so I started with the middle 0. Sometimes, you have to juggle a few pairs of tongs or pliers to realize what holds the hot material best at the desired angle. Once I was satisfied with the overall shape, I decided to add quite a heavy texture to it. And here you can see the finished circle. Next part of the project is the number 1. It is the same story with the 2 tapered ends, but this time I will bend the end and create the typical sharp tip of the cipher. Little dent on a fly press to mark the bend. And bending. Now I am working on the typical sharp tip of the number. Before final touch-ups on the overall shape, the texturing must take place. The next part begins with upsetting of the ends. To figure out how to bend the upper loop of the number 8 was quite a challenge. But the box jaw tongs finally got the job done. Now I am trying to thin out the middle section and straighten the piece. A little more bending. Now I wish I had something to hold the ends together while trying to widen the hole. Here I cooled down the ends of the loop to be able to hit it without causing a damage. Yeah, this is the kind of squeeze I desired. To use a fly press insert to hold the piece worked out great. And the upper loop is done. Next is the lower part of the number 8. It is very similar to the middle 0, only a bit smaller, so I will shorten the process, show you the piece finished, and quickly move to the last piece of the puzzle, which is the curved underline that will hold all the numbers together. Quick cleanup on my homemade 2x72 belt grinder. And we are ready for assembly. I stick welded first the two parts of the number 8. Next on to welding the middle 0 to the underline. Then welding the number 8. And finally number 1. Cleaning the weld slab. I cleaned the weld some more with an angle grinder. Final inspection of the welds and the overall shape. Smoothing out the tip of the number 1. To place it on the house, I drilled 2 shallow holes, inserted and welded 2 pieces of 4mm wire. To prevent any corrosion, I spray painted it with a blacksmith spray paint. And done!